Nothing refreshes and excites more than time spent with friends and family on a pontoon. And Lowe specializes in building durable boats with a smooth combination of bold energy and cushy comfort. These boats are for you fishermen, sunseekers, and adventure enthusiasts that desire the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and accessibility. Built for long summer days and designed for everyday use, our menu of standard features ensures you'll be comfortable and connected for years to come. The hallmark of our pontoons is centered around quality. Quality that ensures you'll be fast, agile, safe, and comfortable, all while turning heads. We're celebrating 50 years of innovation at Lowe. And in this half-century, we've learned a few things about what you need to have the best day ever. Standard GPS speedometers in select models. The all-new SS line featuring bold style and plush new interiors. So chase that open water, big fish, or secluded beach. With seemingly endless options, have confidence that Lowe will get you ready for your day in the sun. Lowe, trusted by the bold, strengthened by legacy, built for today.